Hey guys, I still don't know what to call my channel yet. The initials I have is just a temporary that I haven't decided on. I'm kind of waiting for that aha moment when I think of the perfect name for it. So when that happens, I'll go ahead and change it. Right now I've got about 45 minutes or so before I have to be at an appointment, and I just decided to come and do an impromptu First Amendment audit here at the historic United States Courthouse, Court of Appeals. There's a lot of people standing outside, possibly a jury pool. So I'm assuming I'm going to get some interesting interactions here from people who are all on their phone, by the way, but who may not know that you're allowed to do public photography. I plan on just staying outside. Because I think if you go inside, you got to go through security, and I'm not ready to do that. Yeah, see, there's the security. So I'll just record the patio here. That's publicly accessible, it appears. No restriction signs. I think I was humming again. Photo ID required.
Now, it is acceptable for...
You can't take photographs in here.
Oh, I'm sorry?
I see this is a court of appeals.
I'm not in the Court of Appeals.
Yeah, you are, inside this building.
Okay.
This is part of the court.
I'm not in a courtroom.
No.
Isn't this considered the public foyer?
Inside the door is part of the court of appeals.
Okay. Can you tell me what law that is?
I can get you a copy of it.
Okay, sure. I'll wait. Meanwhile, I'll film. Is it like a judge's order, or is it like GSA rules?
Take a look. That's your copy.
Okay, appreciate it. I'll step outside and read it.
Please, thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Sorry about the rain. Okay. I gotta go back in. So, this appears to be a policy,
Yes.
but not a law. I was
No.
asking what law it was. It said I
Well,
can't
that
record it.
it's on there. That's all I know about the situation.
Okay, well, this is not a law. This is a policy,
This is the policy of this courthouse.
right, adopted by the courthouse.
Yes.
Policy does not override law. And the law says that I can record public spaces in federal buildings,
Okay,
according to the First Amendment, and according to this,
okay.
and according to Poster 7, and according to a DHS memo that came out in 2010 that said that
Do you have a copy of it?
I
I'd like to read
don't.
this
I could
stuff.
probably get it on the internet though, but
Okay.
it's a DHS memo.
Uh-huh.
It was declassified in 2010 that said that public is allowed to record inside federal buildings, public.
I really don't like having that stuck
Okay.
in my face.
All right. Well,
Okay.
you walked up to me to talk to me, so
Okay, let's step outside and talk.
okay.
Okay, be a gentleman, let's go outside.
Okay. Sure.
What don't you understand about not
He
taking?
gave me a policy
Okay.
that says you can't film inside.
You cannot.
But it's a policy. It's not law. I'm asking him what law says that I can't be inside filming.
Well, you can be inside the courthouse,
Mm-hmm.
and you can visit the courthouse,
Okay.
but there is a court rule
Mm-hmm.
that says that you cannot take pictures,
Okay.
videotape,
Right.
or record anything inside the courthouse without permission of the people
Again,
inside
that's
the
a rule.
courthouse.
I'm talking about a law.
It is a court.
Because according to
rule.
the law, which is the United States Constitution, the highest law of the land, the First Amendment says that I'm allowed to go into this building
You
and
are.
film anything that I can see.
That is not
as long as
correct.
I'm not going past the checkpoint.
Make sure that you read that because it says.
I
in
read the whole thing.
Well, no, you didn't read
It
the
was-
part where it says that the court's allowed to enact rules and regulations
They are.
regarding privacy
Sure.
and security,
Absolutely they can.
and they have
But
done
they
that.
can't supersede law.
Well, then I suggest that you challenge it in court.
Well, I'm challenging it right now.
Okay.
So-
Well, then, all I'm going to ask of you is that to be a gentleman, we're willing to let you film anything you want outside the courthouse, but you cannot come in and film anything inside the courthouse.
So this lobby here, I have not yet entered into the courthouse
Once
building
you go
technically.
through
These doors. So
you
why
have
isn't there a
entered
metal
the courthouse.
detector there?
Obviously, we can't put a metal detector at the door, or else we wouldn't be able to get people.
You guys have a plaque up here on the corner
That's
that is obviously for people to read. Who is that? Who is capable? Who's able to read that?
I'm just explaining to you.
Okay.
Okay. You're welcome to take any pictures outside the courthouse.
So
all
I
you
can't
want.
film that plaque right there,
You
even
can
though
stand there and film that plaque, but
I
you
can't- I
cannot
can't film it from
the
outside.
security. Well, you can do it through the window,
Okay.
okay? But you cannot film anything inside the courthouse
So-
regarding security.
If I stand here and film through this window, I can record you guys' checkpoint all day long. And you just said I
cannot
can
do
do
that.
that. You just said I can stand and
I
record
said
through the
you
window.
cannot do anything regarding the security checkpoint. I said the plaque is
Okay.
not the security checkpoint.
The policy that I read, and it is a policy, again, it's not a law, said that the devices are allowed and people are allowed to come in, but there are certain exceptions.
Correct.
And you can't go into the courtrooms.
You cannot go into courtrooms. You cannot videotape. You cannot record. And you cannot.
Is there someone else I can talk to about this?
I'm the lead person here.
Okay.
And if you have any questions,
Because
you
it looks like this area here goes up to like elevators and maybe some other publicly accessible areas.
You can come in and be screened.
Okay.
You can leave your recording device with us and go in and take a look at the courthouse. But you cannot take your recording device, any pictures, any
Okay.
audio, or
Can
anything.
you guys think maybe you could get FPS to come and repeat what you
we
said?
can actually do that. If you
Okay,
would like
sure.
to come
I
in-
wouldn't mind talking to them.
Okay, and I can get the marshal service to come over here too.
Okay.
45 to control. Would you grab the court rule? Would you have FPS respond to courthouse here? We have a subject that's a